meeting them over here.
We have to get our stuff out after.
Yeah. Still gotta get our bathing suits and stuff, but he's over here. I thought you said right here. What the fuck? You give horrible directions.
Sorry.
Oh my god.
What's up? Are we on tape?
Oh
How are you?
my god.
Cassie.
Oh my god.
This is like my home.
I'll get
Hi.
a hug. You're not on Snapchat or not Snapchat, but